Hello people, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Today I'm going to give a review on this Instagram trend going right now. This is a face sheet. First I'll read out the detail. It is a lightening, brightening, revitalizing, lifting, firming mask. How to use? Apply the mask on a cleansed face. Keep it on for 15 minutes and then remove the mask. Massage the excess essence with fingertips before rinsing it with warm water. I'll just open it up. This is how it looks like. I'll apply it on my face. I have to keep this on for next 15 minutes. Massage the excess oil onto your skin. You can use this essence as well. Wash your face with warm water. I'll just wash and come back. This face sheet has got my skin really soft and has got a nice glow to my skin. I hope you can see it. I would give this face sheet a thumbs up. If you guys want to buy this face sheet, I'll leave a link in the description box, or you can search on Instagram for MOND'SUB. If you found this video useful, then please give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos coming up. Bye bye.